Dumelang Lindlord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, I am back and sorry for taking so long. Happy New Year. I hope all of you entered this new year with enthusiasm, with grace, and with a hopeful future. I wanted to report something that DJ Shimza did that is good. Guys, many a times when we come here, we report about negative things, right? But today I want to report about this positive thing. Now, it is reported that DJ Shimza has donated 300 pairs of school shoes to children in need at various schools in Gauteng. Now, he has been doing this annually since 2017. And you will not hear about this because this is positive news, right? And then you would know that there are people that will always want to throw in a comment, right? So, T Junction says, did he really have to advertise? Guys, it's not advertisement. As much as you might think it's advertisement, he's doing a good thing, and good deeds must be known. Because if he was doing a bad thing, it would have been all over the place. And this is not being reported on because it is a good thing. Now, Ohm say that money comes from ANC and it's associated, not his pocket and whatever, right? But mina guys, I want to say ukuthi many a times when people do good, sithola the reasons that will make the whole story or experience bad or negative or anyhow, right? But I wanted to mention this scripture, Galatians chapter 6 verse 9. In an event where you are helping people and you are being judged for it, ne? The scripture says, do not get weary of doing good. I'm not quoting it verbatim because I'm not looking at my Bible at this point, but it says, do not grow weary in doing good, or do not get tired of doing good. Even when people can come with their negative statements, wena ungakhathali ukwenza kuhle. DJ Shimza, a lot of children have shoes because of your initiative, and we really appreciate that. And I think ukuthi this year we should be spreading more positive news. My subscribers, ngiyanicela, please do continue to like, share, and subscribe rather. View my videos. I think I did my last video sometime last year in August. But yeah, I'm back by the grace of God, and I hope I'll be consistent. I love you. Peace. Bye.